Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is share with you some breaking news. You can now apply to test for the MELD mobile app. So I just listened to the latest X space, Twitter space, whatever you want to call it, and MELD currently is looking for more testers. They are not building anymore, so they're going to be pausing building for a little bit. And the big goal is to get that MELD mobile app out. So guys, smash the like button, comment down below. You guys know what to do. I will have all the links that you need either in the link tree and or in the comment section pinned down below. So guys, this is the MELD Twitter. So I just did a video. It should be out before this one. In regards to the MELD Hive NFTs. So MELD has a project being built on MELD around it. It's called the MELD Hive. They have a pretty cool community in regards to Telegram. So they're going to be launching an NFT collection. They are called, what are they called again? Yeah, the Molder NFTs. So that's September 26th. So if you're interested in those, guys, tune in for that as well. But what we're getting into is going to be information around the latest Twitter spaces. So that is this right here. So I'm in the MELD Discord. You guys have to get in there. I may not have a link for you. I'm not sure if I'm able to or not. If I do not have a link, make sure that you guys either follow MELD, at least on Twitter. But if not, you want to be in the Discord. That's how you can get access to the latest announcements. So right here, the MELD app mobile information is out. So test the MELD app mobile, okay, and get paid. So $12,000 MELD for international testers. The Moose should qualify as an international tester. I'm not quite sure though. I don't know exactly what they're looking for. We'll talk about that in a little bit of detail soon. But basically you get paid to test out the app. And the reason being is because they want to look for bugs. They want to have people test the app before they launch it. Because if you launch the app and if there are a lot of issues, it's not going to be good. It's not going to be something that you can easily fix. Okay. So we're going to take a look at what it looks like here. So trust Google Docs. So we're going to open that up and I'm just going to make sure none of my private information is out there. So here I currently have an account logged in. So let me actually switch accounts here. So let me go to my Crypto Moose channel for this. So yeah, check out that link if you guys want. I'm just going to make sure again that none of my information, at least not too much information, is there. So here we got my Crypto Moose official channel email in there. So this is what it's going to look like. All you're going to do is apply. So thank you for your interest in helping us test the MELD mobile app. We're looking for testers from around the world to thoroughly test the app's onboarding, KYC banking, and crypto functionalities. So selected testers will receive compensation for completed tests and filled test reports. So basically MELD is looking for users in different countries that, they've not been able to test. I believe Ken said that they have already tested 12 different countries. So if it's US, Canada, Brazil, probably like the basic countries, it's probably not exactly what they're looking for. So if you live in a specific country that's maybe more unique, you're probably going to have better luck at getting in here. So it's up to you guys, right? Invest/test at your own risk. But I just wanted to share with you that you can now apply and get paid to test out MELD, which I think is really cool. So hopefully it will be on the website soon as well. Currently, where are we at with everything? In development, we're doing well with MELD. 2023 knocked everything out. 2024 is looking about the same. So guys, stay tuned. I'm going to keep refreshing my Twitter here. So I was hoping that it would be up here by now, but may not be just yet. But follow MELD in the Discord. That's where you can get this information if you guys want. So test the MELD mobile app and potentially get paid. So guys, head over to Linktree if you have not already. Pick up a hardware wallet. There's also the MELD node sale. So whitelist is closed for that. So that's why you want to be on top of things, stay subscribed. But you can definitely mint your dynamic node. So this could even offer you a higher return than these static nodes. So static nodes are more fixed. You get them at a discount. So when that opens, I'll be doing content. You cannot mint a static node just yet. They're going to be open 4 different times. In dynamic nodes, those are going to last 5 years versus the 3 years for the static, etc. So guys, Moose is getting loose. We'll see you in the next one.